Hi, this is John. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly load and extend the trimmer line into your AquaWeed trimmer. In most YouTube videos, the author showed people how to quickly load a trimmer line but did not show how to extend it when it's consumed, and also why we have to load 15 feet each time. So I'm going to share with you my personal experience to make this tutorial more helpful. In the manual or most YouTube videos, it says we should load 15 feet, but it does not necessarily mean you have to load exactly 15 feet. You can load 12, 13, or 14. It just increases the loading frequency. I typically load twice of my height. You need to rotate the head in order to align the arrow and the eyelid, and then insert the trimmer line from one side of the eyelids to the other, and adjust the length to make them close, not necessarily to be exactly the same. I'll show you why later. And then turn the head clockwise to withdraw the trimmer lines into the head. So this side is slightly longer than the radius set by the blade. So let's rotate it and make it slightly shorter. This side is just okay, but the other one is slightly longer. You don't worry about it because it's gonna be caught by the blade when it's running. So let's rotate it further to mimic the situation when the trimming line is running out. As you can see, you can't pull it out. The short answer is you tap the head on the lawn when the machine is running will extend the trimmer line. And you don't need to worry about the uneven lengths because any additional lengths higher than the radius at the blade will be cut by the blade when the machine is running. I'm going to show you that. As you can see, the additional length was cut by the blade. Now, if you see the lengths, it should be very close to each other. If my video helps you today, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you next time.